Why plan a weekly meal schedule?
Meal planning helps you eat healthier, save time, and reduce stress. By knowing what you'll eat in advance, you make healthier choices and avoid last-minute takeout. Planning a week's meals can help you balance nutrition, control portions, and even save money by reducing food waste and impulse buys.
How do I start planning my meals?
Begin by listing your favorite healthy foods and recipes. Check your calendar for busy days and plan simpler meals then. Next, sketch out breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks for each day. Aim for meals that are easy to prepare and appealing to you. Remember, starting simple helps you stick with it.
What makes a meal plan balanced?
A balanced meal plan includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Try to fill half your plate with veggies and fruits and include whole grains and a source of protein at every meal. Vary your options to get a mix of nutrients throughout the week.
How can I stay on track with my plan?
Keep meals flexible and don't stress if things don't go perfectly. Prepping ingredients ahead of time, like chopping veggies or cooking grains in bulk, can make sticking to your plan much easier. Consider cooking double portions for leftovers when possible, so you're always just a step away from a healthy meal.
Any tips for making meal planning easier?
Set aside a regular time each week to plan meals and make your shopping list. Repeat favorite meals and use theme nights like Taco Tuesday to simplify choices. Keep your kitchen stocked with healthy staples to make meal prep quick. Over time, planning becomes second nature and you'll enjoy the benefits.